Hello everyone and welcome back to Youngcrafts Academy. In this video, we are going to make a full website. Actually, we are going to make a restaurant website. So we are going to use HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So let's go. First of all, let me share my screen. Okay. Okay, let me turn off my video so that you can see properly. Okay, not this one, sorry. Visual Studio Code. So first of all, what we are going to do is, so we are going to make a wait, let me show you. Okay, let me show in this full uh, we need to create a folder structure first. Okay, so folder structure will be, you need to create a folder. Okay, so inside that folder we need to create a three files. One file is for HTML, another file is for CSS, and another file for JavaScript, like this. Okay, so I've already created a folder called restaurant website. You can see here as well. Okay, restaurant website. So inside the restaurant website, okay, one is index.html, another is style.css, and another is script.js. Like this you are going to create it. Okay, so inside there we have some what you say, images. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 images total we have. Okay, for a restaurant website we need it, right? So I'm going to put inside the description list. You can check it out from there as well. Okay, so here let's go. Okay, let me divide the screen. Okay, so like this. So what we are gonna do is, first we are going to structure the website. Okay, so how we are going to structure this, like this. First of all, we are going to take our boilerplate restaurant. We will name it as restaurant website. Okay, like this, restaurant website. Our title. Okay, now we are going to link our CSS. Okay, like this we are going to link. Now inside the body we are going to use. Okay, so first of all, what we are going to do is we are going to use navbar. Okay, at the topmost we are going to use navbar. Inside that we are going to provide what, hyper reference link. Okay, home. Okay, first home, again hyper reference link. So hashtag menu, so this will be our menu. Okay, and another will be our hyper references, which will be our contact. So we'll put hashtag contact because we don't have another page, right? So contact. Okay, we have created nav. Now is hero section. Okay, hero section our at the center. Okay, so I'm going to give a space. So now after, what we are going to do is we are going to provide a section. Inside section, what we are going to do is we are going to put a class. Okay, so we are, what we are going to put, the name is hero. Okay, so I'm going to, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to provide a div inside this also, div. So in div class, what I'm going to say is hero text. So it will be text, so that I've given the name as hero text, the class name. Okay, so now h1, so yummy kids restaurant. Okay, I'm going to provide my name as yummy kids restaurant, RESTAURANT. Okay, like that. Nice. Now paragraph one will be fresh. Okay, it will be fresh only. Fresh, tasty. Now let me use this some kind of like this. Mm, like this I'm gonna use it. Tasty, TASTY, tasty also. So I'm going to use an emoji here. Tasty, 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 and like this. And after that, what I am going to use is kids favorite. Okay, kids favorite, FABOURITE. Okay, now in the three I'm going to provide here as well. Just a small. Okay, kids favorite, like, okay. So like this I've created a paragraph. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a button. So button on click, whenever it goes click, so it will trigger an action, right? So scroll, wait. Okay, scroll menu, scroll to scroll to menu. Okay, so it will directly what scroll to the menu. Okay, so I'll give it the I'll give it view menu as a name. Okay, like this. I've created a button also. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'll come out from the div. I'm going to insert image source will be what cafe.jpg. Okay, cafe.jpg. Okay, I will provide the link, or in alternative I will provide a restaurant, restaurant restaurant image. Okay, like this, restaurant image. Now I'm going to do is our section hero completed. Now what, another section, that is our menu section. Okay, we have menu section, we have contact section as well. Okay, so we are going to structure all of this. So inside this section, what I'm going to do, I'm going to provide an id called menu. Also I'm going to provide what, I'm going to provide a class as well. Okay, so classes class I will be write as menu only, same. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to provide a heading. Heading will be our menu. Okay, our menu. So what I'm going to do is scroll this spoon. Let me search spoon or something like that. spoon. Okay, spawn. I'll be searching for fork as well. If it find it's okay, fork. Okay, we have this one. Okay, I'll use this one instead of this. Okay, nice. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use deep class. Inside the div we are going to use class will be our menu box. Okay, so inside that again I'm going to create a div. Inside div I'm going to create a class called menu items. Okay, menu items. Okay, now I'm going to provide what, image source. Okay, image source will be our, first of all, our, it will be our pizza. Alternative will be our pizza only if it doesn't provide the image. Okay, uh, now I'm going to provide s3 will be our pizza, pizza. Okay, so if you want to add some text like this, search. Okay, here it will be. Okay, so pizza I'm going to add it. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add paragraph as well. Paragraph will be our cheesy and yummy, cheesy and yummy. Okay, our pizza will be cheesy, obviously, right? So I'm going to target span as well, span. So that will be our rupees 350. Okay, okay, so our div will be closed. So now again another div. Okay, so another div will be our for the burger for restaurant burger. Okay, so class I'm going to put it as menu item. Okay, menu item. I'm going to provide image source will be our burger. I've already provided one burger. We have double one. Okay, I'm going to provide this burger one dot. So it will be burger. Okay. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to provide a S3 heading. Okay, heading inside the heading burger. Okay, burger. I'm going to put. Okay, sorry, my mistake. Okay, I'm going to provide a burger image as well. Okay, so you can also. Okay, here we go. Burger. Okay, burger rating also done. Now paragraph. Some it will be juicy and crispy, right? Okay, juicy and crispy. Now I'm going to provide a price tag. Okay, it's rupees. What will be the price of burger? 250. Okay, 250 rupees. Now I'm going to add like this. Lots of menu will be there, like pizza, burger, momo, chow mein, ice cream, etc, etc. Okay, like this I'm going to create it. Okay, inside the div I'm going to create a class will be our same menu items, menu item. Okay, menu item. And now I'm going to provide a image source will be our what, first of all we are going to target momo. Okay, so in alternative I'm going to provide target momo also. I'm going to provide s3 inside momo. I will write your favorite, right? So windows b. So I'm going to use this image for momo. Okay, momo, mo. Okay, sorry, we don't have. I think we have dumplings. We called it as dumplings as well, but let me find something similar. Okay, I've already found it. Okay, now paragraph. Paragraph. Kids' favorite. Okay, yes, obviously, our also favorite. Momo. Okay, so now span was the price. It will be 180. Okay, and the price will be 180 like this. Again, same thing will be. I'll just copy it. Okay, so that it will not be like this. So I'm going to replace this momo from Xiaomin.jpg. I will write here Xiaomin. Yeah, so Xiaomin like this. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is I'll replace this as well. CHOWME and Xiaomin. I will add some slight emoji. Okay, here also like this and using this. Where is our Xiaomin? I can't find it. Okay, here it is. Okay, I will use this one. I don't know what is it, but I will use this one. Okay, I'll later on change it. Okay, don't worry about that. Okay, you can use whatever you like, spicy and tasty. Okay, so what's the price? 160. Okay, 160, good. Again, what I'm going to do is last one. Okay, we have tons of varieties in our menu. Okay, Control C. Now what I'm going to do is just paste it. Now what I'm going to do is I'll just change it to what? Banana ice cream. Okay, banana ice cream.jpg. So is our what is our ice cream? So ice cream. Okay, we have our ice cream. I'll change it to what? Ice. Ice. CREAM cream. Okay, ice cream. Windows B. So here we go. Here from here, can we search it? Ice. Here we go. Okay, nice. I've got it. Now I'm going to spicy, not spicy. It will sweet, sweet and cold, right? Sweet and cold. Okay. So the last one, the last menu. Okay, last menu I'm going to provide. Okay. So instead of this, now it's our cake time. Cake.jpg. Okay, I'll just replace this alternative as well with the cake. What I have gone to do is I forgot the colon. Okay, it's right. Now I'm going to replace this. Okay, using what? Cakes or wait, right? You are absolutely right. Okay, okay. Now I'm going to use this cake as well. I'll write CAK. Okay, this one is perfect. Okay, what's the cake? Soft and sweet, right? Soft and sweet. Okay, nice. What's will the price? 200. Okay, 200. Yeah, we have cheap now. Okay, so we have completed what? We have completed our menu section, right? Now what I'm going to do is now I need to make a contact section as well. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'll just simply type sorry SECTR section. Okay, inside this section, what I'm going to do is I'm going to provide a ID what will be contact. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'll provide a class as well. Okay, so I'll provide a contact here. Okay, so now I'm going to provide a heading will be our contact us. Okay, control B, contact. Where it is? Contact. Okay, I need contact section. Let me find no contact. Okay, I need phone phone. Sorry, phone. Yes, I got it. Okay, contact us. Okay, you need to contact us me. Okay. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to provide a div. So div will be our class. We have provided a class called contact box. Okay, like this. Now I'm going to provide it again div. Inside it there div. Okay, there will be another class called contact items. Okay, there will be items, right? I'm going to target that so that I could easily style it. Okay, so I'll provide a span. What is this now sign? I don't know. It's like a lollipop, lollipop like that. I guess so. Let me search. Okay, I'll go here. Simply what I'm going to do is lollipop. Okay, We didn't find it. I think it's location. Yes, I was correct. Okay. You can also type location also. The paragraph is our restaurant is located in Kathmandu, right? Kathmandu, Nepal, like this. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is I'll just simply comment from this div tag. Now I'm going to create a div for another so that I can easily style it. So contact item, okay, contact item. So it will be span so that I'm going to just target it. Okay. So I'll just simply use it Control C and I'll just simply drag it here. Okay, span. Okay, now I'm going to add our number. Okay, 9801234567 8. Okay, like it's simply only we are not going to provide our original number, right? So now is our email time email. Okay, so again I need to create a div inside the same thing, contact items. Okay, so contact item. After that, what we are going to do is span. So span will be our email. So we are going to target email only. Simply write email. Okay, we have email. We have email. Okay, like this. So span also completed. Now paragraph. Yomi, our website. Yomi @kids.com. Okay, dot np. Okay, so we came out from the deep, right? We came out from the section also. Now is footer time. At the last, we need something, right? So we are going to target this at the rate 2025. This is our copyright logo, right? 2025. Yummy Kids, Yummy Kids Restaurant. Okay, we have our copyright of our restaurant. Okay, no one is going to take our ownership. So now what I'm going to at the last I'm going to add our script. Script source will be our what script.js, right? Okay. So we have finally we have completed our structuring of our website. Let's see how it goes like this. We will style it. Don't worry, kids. Don't worry, students. Like this. Okay. So much big. Okay, right? Look now how big it is coming. We are okay. So cake in cake S3, right? So that means mistake. Okay, another ice cream also mistake. So I mean everything from ice cream is mistake. So let me see the ice cream here. Cake. Okay, I won't put colon. Okay, here also I didn't put colon. Okay, this is the that is a disadvantage of copying, right? Okay, so now it's good. Okay, you can see burger crispy 250. We are gonna style it using our css. Okay, and don't forget. Okay, so in another video we are going what we are going to style our structure of html. Okay, so thank you so much everyone. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Till then, bye bye, see you next video.